Did I lose weight? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you my results for my 10-day green smoothie by JJ Smith, and let's get right to it. Okay guys, so I did manage to do the smoothie for 10 days and it was going well. In the morning I was doing really well. In the morning I would have my juices. When I went to work, I would have an apple and I'll have a little bit of nuts with tea. I enjoyed that. And in the afternoons, I would have my green smoothie juice. I would have my green smoothie at lunch. And by the end of the day, guys, when I came back home, the first 3 days, I followed the program to a T. And the first 3 days, I dropped up to like 4 or 5 pounds. About 5 pounds. I was really excited, guys, but the fourth day was really hard. I followed the program in the morning. I did the same thing, an apple in the morning with some nuts and some tea. I had my smoothie in the afternoon. When I got home, guys, I had a salad. I cheated. I had a salad and with some chicken and stuff like that. So, I was okay. I was like, well, I still stuck to eating vegetables, and I continued, guys. The next day was on the 5th day. I did the same thing. I had a smoothie and I had a smoothie in the afternoon. I had apples in the morning, and then I had a salad, or I started eating food. By the 6th day, I was able to do the smoothie in the morning and afternoon. But when I came home, I couldn't just keep up, guys. I really tried. This was the first time I was going to finish the program. The most have gone is 9 days. And guys, I did do 10 days, but I ate dinner starting after the 3rd day. I had food. I started going out, venturing out and eating like just normal food at home. And yeah, guys, so I'm going to show you my results. Did I lose weight? I'm even embarrassed to show you guys this video. I was thinking of not even filming it because I failed. But I think I need to be honest and let you guys see the difficult part of dieting and how difficult it is to lose weight. I am really struggling to lose weight, and I want you guys to see that you're not, and also to feel that you're not alone. You're not the only ones who are struggling to stay on a diet or struggling to lose weight. Despite me eating at night, I did well like throughout the day. I didn't eat things I was not supposed to eat. I stuck to the program, and even when I had dinner, I had I didn't have a lot of food. It was just moderate food. How did I feel during the smoothie program? I felt light. In the morning I had energy. I wasn't groggy at work. I was active, and it was going well. And then after that, we had to go on holiday. Oh, my son got sick. I did notice a lot of weight. Like, I didn't lose weight on the scale, but I lost weight. Like, you could tell how my clothes were fitting me. And then my son got sick as well. He got COVID, and then so that was stress on me. And then we went on holiday. So yeah, guys, I indulged a little bit, but that was after the program though. And my body that I have that appreciates food, it's already showing. So yeah, guys, I just want to also let you guys know that you're not alone if you're struggling to lose weight. I'm struggling to lose weight every day. And all we can do is fall and pick ourselves up and try again. And we can never give up until we get to the optimum goal to lose the weight that we want to lose, so that we can be healthy and be comfortable in our skin. So guys, I'm going to show you the results. I didn't lose a lot of weight. After the whole program, I weighed myself. So this is how I weighed here when I started the program, and this is the end result. This is what I weighed after the program, guys. I know, guys. I didn't drop the 14 pounds or the 10 pounds I was expecting to drop, but I dropped about what, 3 pounds? So that's not bad for 10 days. I am so embarrassed, guys. That's why I didn't really want to do this video, but I just thought I had to be honest with you guys and let you know what's going on. But yeah, so that's the weight I lost, guys. So, but to be honest with you guys, the JJ smoothie program does work if you commit to it and follow it by the T. And I did see that in my first 3 days, and I did see the weight go down. But unfortunately, I guess stuff happens. My will wasn't so strong, but we'll do it next time. We'll try again. So yeah. Okay, guys, let me know if you guys enjoy seeing this kind of videos on my channel, my weight loss struggles and stuff like that. I hope I could motivate people, guys. So don't judge too much. Let me know what you think, and bye-bye.